What's up, guys? EB Coaster back with another Iron Menace construction update. Today we'll be looking at the progress from the end of January to early February. Dorney Park has been actively working on the station as well as completing the zero-G roll and has started work on the tilted loop. So let's go take a look. So as you can see right here, during this time, Iron Menace's zero-G roll had just been completed and the crews had just started assembling the station. So in this clip right here, you can see roof assembly taking place on Iron Menace's station. And also on this day, digging was taking place behind Ghost in the Machine, where according to the site plan, part of the queue line will extend out to that area. So as you can see right here, roof assembly had continued on Iron Menace's station, including installing the roof right above where the maintenance shed is. As you can see right here, it looks like the walls behind Ghost in the Machine are going to be replaced as they were just torn down recently. The base of the tilted loop had been put in, as well as other support columns around it. And here we have track pieces for the tilted loop and the corkscrew currently sitting in the overflow lot.
Remain seated, facing forward, keeping your head against the headrest and your hands and arms inside the wire.